Assalamu alaikum, sir. I am MD Mamun-Or Rashid. My ID is 211660005, and now I'm going to tell the presentation of my term paper topic. The topic is fire alarming automation system using Internet of Things. And this is the contents page, and the contents of my term paper is what is IoT, characteristics of IoT, building block of an IoT device, types of IoT, applications of IoT, uses of IoT, abstract, goals and objectives, existing system, overview of system, challenges to overcome, application of the system, conclusion, and the last part is references. And this is the page of what is IoT. And IoT is the common thing in our daily life. This word is we are using, we are associated with this word from our morning to the late night. A thing in Internet of Things can be any object that has a unique identifier and which can send or receive data, including user data, over a network. Example: smartphone, any other smart television, any computer, smart air condition, any refrigerators, any remote controlling car. All of things are related to IoT. And IoT devices are connected to the internet and send information about themselves or about their surroundings. Examples: information sensed by the connected sensors over a network to other devices or servers, storages, or allow actuation upon the physical entities or environment around them remotely. And this is the characteristics of IoT. And the characteristics of IoTs are dynamic and self-adapting, self-configuring, interoperable communication protocols, and unique identity integrated into information network. And this is the basic building blocks of an IoT device. The basic building blocks are sensing, actuation, communication, analysis, and processing. And sensing is sensors can be either on board the IoT device or attached to the devices. Actuation is IoT devices can have various types of actuators attached that allow taking actions upon the physical entities in the vicinity of the device. And communication modules are responsible for sending collected data to other devices or cloud-based servers or storage, and receiving data from other devices and commands from remote applications. Analysis and processing modules are responsible for making sense of the collected data. And the types of IoT design. There are two types of design of IoT, and they are physical design of IoT, and the other is logical design of IoT. The physical design of IoT is the things in IoT usually refers to IoT devices which have unique identities and can perform remote sensing, actuating, and monitoring capabilities. Logical design of IoT is logical design of an IoT system refers to an abstract representation of the entities and processes without going into the low-level specifics of the implementation. And this is the page of applications of IoT. We now we have seen in this diagram or figure, this IoT is associated with our daily life, like health and lifestyle, industry sectors, agricultural sectors, logistics, retail, home, cities, environment, energy. All of things are related to IoT. And we have seen some example, like in our home, we have associated with IoT, like smart lighting, smart appliances, intrusion detection, smoke or gas detectors. And my this topics is smoke or gas detection for distinguishing the fire. The next page is uses of IoT, and this is the most using sectors of IoT. Like just now I have told that smart lighting, home intrusion detection, smart parking, weather monitoring system, environmental temperature, weather reporting bot, air pollution monitoring, forest fire detection, smart irrigation, and the last part is IoT print. And this is the abstract part. And Internet of Things, IoT, is rapidly increasing technology. IoT is the network of physical objects to or things embedded with electronic software, sensors, and network connectivity, which enables these objects to collect and exchange data. In this paper, I am developing a system which will automatically monitor the fire alarming system applications and generate alerts or alarms, or take intelligent decisions using concepts of IoT. IoT has given us a promising way to build powerful fire alarming systems and applications by using wireless devices, Android, and sensors. A main contributions of this term paper is that it summarizes the uses of IoT in home, hospital, educational institutions, industries, shopping centers, with artificial intelligence to monitor and control the fire extinguishing alarming system. And the main goals and objectives to my project. Today, a big problem of our country which concerns me is fire safety. Recently, fire caused major chaos and the death of many people. Of many ways of solving this problem, one technical approach can be the implementation of AI. I can implement an algorithm in CCTV cameras using neural network model which can be trained by AI by the using of IoT, so it can detect the smoking level, lighting condition, the environmental temperature of a place and determine what problem has occurred. The model will automatically detect the lighting condition, smoke and fire by using IoT. Then it will decide if it will induce the fire alarm or not. It can also be given control over automatic fire extinguisher system, as all these will be done automatically. So initially no personnel has to be employed, ultimately decreasing the cost of fire detection and also increasing the level of safety. So I want to develop a system which will automatically monitor the fire system applications and generate alerts or alarms or taking intelligent decisions using the concept of IoT, and also design the system to take intelligent decisions and control devices. Besides, the authority can also take the necessary steps to distinguish before it causes a massive damage. And existing system, and which system I am going to, develop this system. No ways to detect uneven condition in any institution, home or industry. Manual in intervention required for monitoring. CCTV used which only monitor but no alert generation. Alert and their appropriate actions not present manually. Time consuming approach to detect and generate alert manually. And the overall overview of system. This is the overview system. In this neoteric period of automation and advanced computing using Internet of Things with artificial intelligence offer promising solutions towards the automation of industry. In order to understand the development of IoT in any emergency sectors, this term paper, the current research of IoT, key enabling technologies, major IoT applications in hospitals, educational systems, shopping mall and industries, and identifies research trends and challenges. The Internet of Things allows objects to be sensed and controlled remotely across existing network infrastructure. Sensors like smoke sensor, temperature sensor, pressure sensor, humidity sensor, vibration sensor, all of sensors are used to perceive environment and object conditions. Analog signal is provided to Android device produced by sensors. Admin can set threshold to every sensor placed in the system. Like the accurate threshold temperature is 30 degrees Celsius tapmatra, 30 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, admin sets this threshold to every sensor placed in the system. Android check this threshold against incoming analog signal. signal. When it encounters an uneven conditions, devices are used to take accurate measures such as alarm or alert are generated. It sends messages and signal to authority. Then, with the help of artificial intelligence, it takes adequate steps to solve the problems. This can be possible through past experience and similar previous conditions stored in database. In this, I will use cloud as database for scalability and applications of the system. There are many applications of my system which I will go and which I will develop in future. And this system is these applications are in these systems in home, in industry and office, in hospital or labs, in shopping centers, in any educational institutions. All of the places can use this system for distinguishing the fire and the challenges to overcome. The internet connection is vacillating that may make some problems. Alarms or alerts have to start ringing but may have range problem. Decision making is very difficult as this is question of many life and industry. The selection of wrong or cheap tool for development may cause some labyrinth. And the last part is conclusion part. Fires in any sectors like hospitals, industry, shopping mall and educational institutions are mostly caused by unsafe awareness of people. Attention should therefore be given to promoting the safe use of gas and liquid fuels. Awareness of the risks associated with them use must be improved as they pose a significant risk. As in Bangladesh, electronic short circuits and overloading from poor practice is another growing risk in any sectors, together with the disposal of cigarette butts in hearths and near warehouses used for handling flammables. Children playing with sources of ignition, candles, kerosene lamp, and the burning of waste in some camps. So, in any fire incident situation, we can use the idea for detecting the accident before occurred. And this is the most last part is reference where I have taken some ideas and share with you. And thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.